The Report Builder in Visp is a powerful feature that allows users to create custom reports based on their specific data needs. It offers a flexible and intuitive interface to select data fields, apply filters, and group results, enabling the generation of insightful reports that cater to various business requirements. To access the Report Builder, click on the Reports icon from the left sidebar navigation and select the Report Builder tab. To create a new report, click on the Add New button, enter a name for the report, and choose the primary focus of your report's data from the Entity dropdown. The Fields section in the Report Builder is the core area where you define the specific data points or columns you want to include in your report. It is also where you choose what information will be displayed in the final output. The main function of the Group Results By field is to organize and categorize the report data based on a selected field. The Conditions field in the Report Builder allows you to apply filters or criteria to the report data. It enables you to refine the information in the report by specifying conditions the data must meet. Once you've chosen the fields, applied any grouping or conditions, and are ready to see the results, clicking Run Report instructs the system to process your selections, query the database, and compile the data into the desired report format. Once the report is generated, you have the option to export to CSV to download the report, save the report for future use, to cancel to discard the report and start over, or to delete to remove a previously saved report. And that's all for now about the Report Builder in Visp. Thank you for watching.